All right, Mr. Buchanan, go ahead and now announce the case name and the cause number.
Yes, Your Honor. Kevin Buchanan, attorney for the plaintiff. Cause number DC-20-18713, Dolores Preston et al. Versus Brad Stinson et al.
Okay, let's go ahead and proceed.
Okay, Judge, this is Harold McKeever for at least some of the defendants. I would like to discuss first the motion for partial dismissal.
Okay.
I can probably cut this short, Judge, if you don't mind, or Mr. McKeever does not mind.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, first of all, if it pleases the court, I would like to bring to the court's attention Mr. McKeever's professionalism in terms of resetting this for me 2, if not 3 times. The court may or may not know I've been under the weather for a couple months. So he was very accommodating, very understanding, and very. I think the motion for partial dismissal probably will take. I had not read this area of the law for some time.
Mr. Buchanan, it's very hard to hear you. You're kind of cutting in and out.
Can you hear me better now, Judge?
Yeah, that's better.
All right. Now you got to look at my ugly face. So, I think the motion for partial dismissal, as structured, is probably well taken. As I mentioned, I had not read this area of the law in quite a while, and there's some fairly recent case law out, which I think pretty much says that you've got to either sue DART or you got to sue the individual employee. And if you sue both of them, by the employee, Your Honor, I mean the train operator in this case. So I think the motion for partial dismissal is probably well taken.
I think that is the law now.
And
that's correct.
With respect to the motion for special exceptions, I think Mr. McKeever is also probably correct in the sense that my co-counsel and I have pled for punitive damages. I don't think that's allowed against a governmental entity. So Mr. McKeever is seeking relief that would result in a 2-week limitation for me to, in terms of a special exception, to amend the petition, which I presume is to remove that particular allegation.
Okay. Have you submitted an order on the special exception? I saw one on the dismissal.
I believe they were both submitted at the same time. And actually, there's another part to the special exceptions in addition to the exemplary damages.
Okay.
Because DART and therefore its contractor is treated as a governmental entity, claims such as negligent hiring, supervision, retention, and training are not within the court's jurisdiction because they do not involve the operation or use of a motor vehicle or motorized equipment. And so we've also asked that those allegations be struck.
I'm not as familiar with that, so what's your position on that, Mr. Buchanan?
Well, the train's pretty motorized, Your Honor.
I think he's arguing, though, that the negligent entrustment claim should be dismissed. Is that right?
That's right. We are not trying to claim that the operation of the train is not a motor vehicle or motorized equipment. We're not trying to specially accept on that part of the claim. Just those claims for negligent supervision, hiring, retention, and training.
So, as I understand the proposed order, Your Honor, I'm being allowed 2 weeks to fix those problems. It's the same, but gee. So, do I understand that correctly, Mr. McKeever? It's okay for me to talk to you directly.
Yes, I believe so, that our order allows 2 weeks to amend.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me do this. I'm going to share a screen because I don't know that I can find this order online. So maybe you can point it out to me.
Hold on, Judge.
All right, Mr. McKeever, if you can go ahead and show this. I don't see the order. Do you see an order here? There's the motion, but I don't see an order with it. There was an order about something else that I signed. Maybe I already signed the order, partial dismissal. I'm pretty,
I don't show, it doesn't mean it wasn't done, Your Honor, but I don't show a proposed order.
there it is.
Okay.
October 13, yes.
There it is. I see it. Okay.
Or May 13, I'm sorry.
See that. Okay. All right. I will go ahead and print that out. And we'll get that scanned in and sent in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You guys. All right. Anything else today?
Not today.
Not for me, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Good to see you guys. You be safe. Okay.
I'm doing
Okay.
my
Thank you, Judge.